One of the best summer treats for your budgies is fresh corn. Budgies love to nibble on fresh corn. Raw corn fits in healthy diet of your birds. For your budgie to be healthy and happy, it is essential to provide them with correct amount of food and provide lots of variety in the diet. You can feed your bird by hand or place the cob somewhere they generally sit. Try not to use canned corn as it is not healthy for your feathered friend. All fruits and vegetables should be rinsed before offering them to your birds. A variety of food choices will help support a happy and healthy bird. A balanced diet is likely to help your budgie live a long and healthy life. If your bird develops a particular fancy for one food item, reduce its volume in order to encourage and promote consumption of other foods. Every bird has a preference. If they don't like to eat it right off the cob, don't mind to take a step further. Try to shave it off for your pets. If you liked the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.